What's up, guys? I just want to take y'all out real quick for a short test on this DJI SPARK drone I got here. I just want to take it out real fast, get a short quick video of some of the features that I like and don't like, and get a test for how well it works. I'm just going to take us to this real tiny park down the street here. Light up and make noises. I'm going to turn the drone on next. Red here turns green when they're connected together.
Could go on for infinity. Color coded just to keep me
worked pretty well. I'm just gonna check out the footage real quick and then see if this even worked. Alright, good news. So it actually did save. So I've done this before where I forgot to stop recording before I landed and turned the drone off, and it didn't save anything before. But this time it actually saved it. So bright side, if you ever forget to hit stop record, you might actually still get your footage, so that's always a plus. But my suggestion would be not to forget that. Just go ahead and hit stop record, give it a second to make sure that it catches up and actually saves to the memory card, then turn your drone off. Probably a better idea. So that was like so much harder than I expected and so much more work, but it was successful in the end. So hope y'all enjoyed that. Hit like and subscribe.